Right, so I'm back 2 weeks later. This is a rock area that I weeded. It's still weed free, which is good. Now I've got to do the other half, which is around here. This gets pretty dramatic up here. Pretty filled up. Nice coloured rows that one. A few different colours in it. About 3 different colours. Anyway, and up there. Then next time I've got to work in the middle. But for now, I'll take on this. Try and get it looking like the other side. Like that. Bloody hot too, so it's not going to be easy. This is called a 4 o'clock flower, and they just seem to spread there's some grass up on that one, but they're toxic to dogs and cats. They're from Peru, I believe. So if you ever see them around, you know what they're called now, 4 o'clock flower. I think I'm going to film me working on this one for a change. Using a crowbar. Finally make a move. Can't wait to get up there because there's a shady spot. The sun's about bloody 29, 30 degrees at the moment. It's pretty hot. Not ideal, but anyway, no, it's never ideal. If it's raining or too hot, too windy, I'll just do it on all. Oh, that's what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't know that. What in the world? Looks like a big, huge nut or something. That's a 4 o'clock flower. Wow. That was unexpected. That's past Pelham. Now I can move to the shade. Gotta get a drink first though. I'm moving up into the shade. Should be a bit better, I think. There, up into there. Just needs to close down because the rocks are slipping. And it actually looks like a sticker weed here. But it is much cooler in the shade. Pretty easily actually. And I'm going to look outdoor. Let's see. Done with the hand. Jeez. I'm in the countryside. Right, so I've just been riding them on this lawn, but This European crabapple here, it's toxic to pets and animals. It's really only good for the wood to use for smoking food and whatever. But I can't mow around the inside of it, so I'm going to prune it. Purely for that reason, so I can get in close to them rocks. So, what I've got to do is go and get some loppers, then come back. Not sure if this is a good idea yet, but I'm just going to shred all that with the mower. It should work. If it doesn't work, well, I can always just pick it up. But I'm quite willing to give it a go. Never-ending job. Anyway, I'll get the rest next time when I come back, hopefully. So I'm just trimming this cherry plum hedge. See, I've just done this front side. Nice and shiny. Yeah, now I'm just going to snip along the top. I'm doing it by hand with the hand shears, so see what it looks like after. I'll come back here. So I'll get to it.